Welcome to Real Estate Ramblings with Robyn and Sean.
So today on another exciting episode of Truck Talk, we're going to go pick up a guy who always makes a splash. Ow.
And now we're going to welcome Ken Clemens from Ken's Pools in Upton, Mass. To the truck. Welcome, Ken.
Hi Ken,
Hi,
how you
guys.
doing?
Why don't you tell us a little bit about your business?
All right, so we are a pool service company, and we mainly open and close swimming pools and service weekly, routine maintenance and whatnot, and vinyl liner renovations, new
Yeah.
equipment installs, basically everything but gunite resurfacing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm ready. You can clearly see I'm ready for summer. It
Yeah,
is
me
time.
too.
What time of year, like when? Are we ready now? Have you been doing it?
Yeah, we've actually been opening pools for about a month already.
Oh,
so,
really?
nice.
Okay.
We open and close about 400 on each end plus.
Wow.
Yep.
And we've got about 50 pools opened already.
Wow.
So we're, 1/8 of the way to the finish line come Memorial Day.
So this is a big thing in our business because we have sellers and buyers who are, anxious to get their pools open, and then again in the fall, like how far in advance should people start calling you to get their pools open, and then conversely when they're ready to close in the fall?
Right, yeah. So because we have like 400 plus customers, most other pool companies have a lot too.
Yep.
And it's pushed into this big, it's all mushed into this
Yep.
6-week window roughly.
Yes.
A few weeks before May and up to, Memorial Day.
Okay.
So we're jamming all those customers into that, window of 6 weeks. So we're adding people, we've now got 11 guys, 6
Wow.
trucks. I think we'll be adding another truck and maybe
Wow.
a couple more guys this year. Because the growth is just huge.
Yep.
Nice.
There's more pool customers than
Yep.
there are pool companies
Yep.
to go around, and so we find there's plenty of work.
Great.
And what are your service areas, Ken? You're right here in Upton, but where do you guys actually travel to?
Yeah, so we'd prefer to be all local, but we do travel far and wide.
Yep.
We have some customers close into the Metro Boston area, within the Boston proper area. Some of them.
Okay.
We have a group of pools up in Groton. We go as far north as New Hampshire,
Wow.
as far south as the Cape.
Great.
For a couple individual jobs, our friends and
Yeah. Long time
dentists.
customers.
Yeah. Great.
Well, awesome.
Well, yeah, that sounds wonderful. So get your pool noodles and your floaties ready, and give Ken Paul a call if you want to get your pool open, because we think that your houses will show wonderfully if they are all ready to go and sparkly.
We also offer pool inspections.
Oh, pool
Oh, perfect.
inspections.
Yeah,
Oh, that's
even better. That's
fantastic.
great.
Oh, that's
Awesome.
wonderful. All right, well, we'll pop up your contact information right here on the screen, and we'll get people giving you a call.
Sounds good.
Thanks for jumping in the truck with
Yeah,
us.
thank you,
We
guys.
appreciate
Thanks for
it.
joining us, Ken. Take care, guys. Appreciate it.
Bye-bye now.